Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with another unboxing. And I don't have a knife. Oh, here's the knife. Okay, so I got a knife, so I'm gonna kill you guys. I'm gonna stab you, stab, stab. 3D stabbage. Anyways, so my keyboard on my Dell XPS 1640, this one, very nice laptop. If you can see it all in there, looks like the Dell Studio but better. It's got a nice little glowy Tron look to it. The keyboard on it went out, so had to get a new keyboard. So gonna see if this works. I'm gonna show how to install it and everything. So this is an unboxing, and I'll put a link to the installation video as soon as I upload that. So yeah, I was like, I can't press these buttons. Something's wrong with my keyboard. And I got some, what's it called? Some air spray. Everyone's like, clean your keyboard. Clean your keyboard. And I was like, oh man. And then it stopped working, I guess. Anyways. Okay. And in here you got the keyboard. It looks like this. It's nicely shipped, actually. To be honest, let me get it far out so you can see it. Take the plastic off. You know how you guys don't like plastic? Take the plastic off. I hate it. No, I'm just kidding. No one's giving me that crap because I haven't really done that many unboxings. Anyways, this is how the keyboard looks. And as far as I can tell, it looks exactly like the keyboard that I have. It's very nice. Turn around. This goes into, this is for the backlit cable, and this will be the keyboard cable because it's the biggest. So it's so big. It's just so big. Anyways, show you how. I'm trying not to get that dirty. I don't want to get that messed up. Try to show you how keyboard on this laptop looks. Compare it. So that's how that one looks. There you go. And then compare it to the way this one looks. And that's upside down. You idiot. You idiot. And pretty much the same. If you can see that. Let me see. Bring it down. Oops. Y'all just did a front flip for some reason. I don't know if my video was that exciting to do a front flip, but anyways. So that's how the keyboard looks. Everything looks the same. So I'm guessing this is not a fake from like China or something. It doesn't look fake, at least. It looks pretty genuine. So I'm gonna install this and get back to you guys. Peace. And always hit that like button after the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.